Learn grammar, the quantifiers. Understanding term, countable, uncountable and quantifiers. Countable, this word is derived from count, meaning counting. Example, counting 1 to 10, that is 1 2 3 4 etc., we are able to count, like 6 bananas. Uncountable, opposite of countable noun, means which we are not able to count. For example, milk, water, money etc., but we can measure them by quantifier. Like, 1 rupee. Quantifiers, quantifier word derives from quantity means amount. For example, 1 liter of milk, in this 1 liter is quantity, and liter is quantifier which measures the milk. Now, let's get into few and a few. For example,
she got few friends but no one turned up for help, at the time of requirement.
Meaning, she already have very less friend, upon that, no one came to help her in her bad times, this shows negative expression. Meaning, she already have very less friend, upon that, no one came to help her in her bad times, this shows negative expression. A few, it is used for plural countable nouns for positive sense. For example,
she got a few friends but everyone turned up for her, at the time of requirement.
Meaning, she has less friend but everyone came to help her, in bad times, this shows positive expression. Few is used to indicate the small quantity, that is not enough as expected. For example, below conversation. We are 2 people, are there some chapatis for us?
I am not sure, maybe few left.
There is only 1 chapati, it's okay, we will manage.
I told you, I was not sure.
Meaning, she knew the quantity of chapatis available, are not enough for them. A few is also used to indicate the small quantity that is enough, than one would expect. For example, below conversation. We are 2 people, are there some chapatis for us?
Yes, a few chapatis are there, and that would be enough for you.
There are 4 chapatis, would be more than enough. Meaning, she knew the quantity of chapatis available, are enough for them. Few is used for formal speeches. For example, we have few news regarding this incidences. Opposite of it, a few used in informal speech. For example, I have a few toffees for us. Now, understanding where to use little and a little. Little, it is used for uncountable nouns, for negative sense. For example,
I had little work to do, so I earned less this season.
Meaning, I had little work to do, so I earned less this season. In this, work is uncountable noun, that's why we used little in negative way. A little, it is used for uncountable nouns for positive sense. For example,
I have a little milk, so I distributed to dogs.
Meaning, I have a little milk so I distributed to dogs. Milk is uncountable noun but this person got enough milk to distribute in dogs, it's a positive sign, that's why we used a little. Little is used in formal writing, such as formal context. For example, in below speaker says, the results take little account of personal preference. Meaning, the results take little account of personal preference. The formation of sentences is formal. A little is used in informal writing or speeches. For example, below boy says to his friend, I left with little homework my friend, then only I will be able, to come for game. Meaning, I left little part of project, will come back soon. In this, work is uncountable noun, plus this line is part of informal writing. Thank you for watching, find our next videos also.